Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the TV is online and your Samsung account is active. This lets the Smart Hub show available apps. Once connected, press Home to open Smart Hub, then navigate to Apps. If YouTube is visible, select it. If not, use search and type YouTube. Make sure the app is compatible with your model year. Older Tizen versions may require an update. Start the install or open the app now so you can sign in and continue. You'll sign in next to access subscriptions and watch history. Select Sign in on the TV and follow the device code flow shown on screen. Open YouTube. /activate on your phone or computer and enter the code. This is faster than typing on the TV. If you prefer, sign in directly using the TV keyboard. Once signed in, accept permission prompts so recommendations and casting work correctly. If the app asks to update, do that now to avoid playback or stability issues. You're ready to play content. Search, pick a video, and use the remote to change quality, captions, or speed. To cast, open YouTube on your phone, tap Cast or AirPlay, and select your TV. Ensure both devices share the same network. If video buffers, try lowering quality. If the app crashes, reboot the TV, check for a firmware update, or reinstall YouTube. One key tip: power cycle the router and TV if network issues persist. This often clears IP or DNS conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.